Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Coinomi application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is done, tap open your app store. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in Coinomi wallet and search. Look for the Coinomi wallet application from Coinomi Limited and tap on the download button to start downloading the app on your iPhone. Coinomi is a cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, manage, and exchange a variety of cryptocurrencies. Wait until the Coinomi wallet app installs on your device and you can simply launch it open and get started. Tap on open and there you have successfully downloaded and installed Coinomi wallet on your iPhone. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.